I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery charged and Bluetooth enabled on your device. First, remove the smart case and watch the LED near the right ear cup. This shows power and pairing state. Next, open Control Center on your iPhone or check the Mac Bluetooth menu to make sure Bluetooth is active. This avoids connection delays. Once done, hold the digital crown and noise control button together briefly to initiate manual power on or pairing. Do not release until you see the LED respond. Now continue with the middle steps to pair and confirm the connection. Press and hold both the digital crown and noise control button for about a second to power on. If you need to pair, keep holding them for around 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, look under Bluetooth devices and tap AirPods Max to connect. Make sure the headphone firmware and your device OS are reasonably current, because compatibility updates reduce dropouts and improve features, so update if prompted. Finish by verifying the setup and handling problems. After connection, check audio routing and noise control mode in Control Center or Bluetooth settings so audio goes to AirPods Max and active noise cancellation works. If they won't power on, plug in a lightning cable and charge for at least 5 minutes. Low battery can prevent boot. If pairing fails, reset by holding the digital crown and noise control for about 15 seconds until the LED turns amber then white. This clears old pairings and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.